Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. A high-pressure rubber pipe source factory. Whether you are in the construction machinery industry or agricultural machinery accessories, just let us know if you have goods. I have just turned on the heating pad. If you are still looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to my live stream. Please do join my live stream. Shouldn't you tell that to Zhao Zhang? We're live, aren't we? I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. A source factory of pressure rubber hoses. I've just turned on the heating button, and I have also just turned on the heating button. For all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream. Make sure to stop by the host's live stream for a while. Today, the host will take you to gain a deeper understanding of Handan Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited. Handan Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited.
Our factory
is located in Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. The total area of our factory reaches over 100 mu, covering a total area of over 100 mu. Our construction workshop covers a total construction area of over 100,000 square meters, reaching over 100,000 square meters. We have our own R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our warehouse workshop, and we also have our own independent shipping area. We are a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process integration. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Our current new Phase 2 plant put into use in 2024. After it was put into use, including our new Phase 3 plant that will be put into production in 2026. Up to now, our total construction area has reached over 100,000 square meters. Our factory has now completely solved the problems of difficult delivery date and delivery date delay. Because previously, before the production of Phase 2, we had customer feedback that our factory's delivery was a bit slow. And up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
The daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
So, our factory currently, whether it's your large order, urgent order, or custom order, we can handle them all. I am currently in the live streaming room of a high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic oil pipe company located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the live streaming room of the Source Factory of Hydraulic Oil Pipes. The Source Factory live streaming room. We are a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. A large industrial and trade integration enterprise. We don't have any middlemen. The same quality. Our price is more reasonable. For the same quality, our price is more realistic. Our factory was established in 2011.
Our factory was established in 2011.
Up to now, in the high-pressure rubber hose industry, we have been deeply cultivating it for 15 years. It has been deeply cultivated for 15 years. Why can our Handan Sinopulse become a large factory with 15 years of development? And why? Our products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world. It relies on our stable quality, stable adhesive paint, and stable after-sales service.
Many of them come here.
He joined a creator network, and they submitted the certificate for review. Where is everyone?
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the stream.
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream.
The host is currently in the live stream room of a high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic oil pipe source factory located in the Feixiong Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the live stream room of the source factory.
Today, the host will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory. We'll take a closer look at the scale and qualifications of our factory, as well as its credentials. We'll also delve deeper into Handan Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Handan Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu. Established in 2011, we were founded in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply cultivating in the industry for 15 years. With 15 years of in-depth industry experience, our second phase factory was newly put into use in 2024. It's newly built. It was built starting from 2024. Then our third phase factory covers an area of over 50 mu. It will be newly put into use in 2026. Our phase 5 is also under construction, which is expected to be put into use by the end of this year. In other words, up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Our factory's daily output has reached 80,000 meters. All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders can be accepted by us. All of them can be accommodated. As for our factory location, it is close to the main highway, the Feixiong West Expressway entrance, newly put into use in 2025, is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Just 1 kilometer away. We deliver nationwide super fast. Our nationwide logistics delivery is super fast. As for our factory location, it is in an excellent geographical location. Our factory benefits from a superior geographical location. Our product delivery time is super reliable, because up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Currently, all delivery issues have been resolved.
At present, all our delivery issues have been resolved.
Why our factory? With 15 years of development. And why our products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world. How we manage to cover all parts of the country. And how major clients from all over the country are able to make long-term and large volume repeat purchases. Relying on our factory's stable quality, reliable delivery times, and consistent after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery times, stable after-sales service. Here, let me tell you why our quality can be stable and remain so over time. Why can our hose achieve long-term stability? Our products have always been adhering to high-quality production. How do we achieve that? First of all, let me tell you, our raw materials. Before all our raw materials enter the factory, our factory has a professional quality inspection team that will conduct random inspections on all of our raw materials in a batch manner. Random inspections on batches, whether it's our rubber raw materials, or various auxiliary materials, or steel wire raw materials. All of our raw materials are directly from the industry's top raw material manufacturers. Directly from the manufacturers. And after each batch of raw materials arrives at our factory, our quality inspection team will promptly conduct random inspections on batches. All substandard raw materials are rejected and will never be accepted. Our factory deeply understands that. The first hurdle of quality lies in raw materials, which serves as the primary guarantee for our quality. We have consistently adhered to this standard for 10 years, maintaining strict control over it. All substandard raw materials are uniformly rejected. Well, as we know, raw materials are the core key to ensuring the stability of our quality, and also the first threshold for our quality. And it's also our first threshold. We will absolutely not cut corners. We will never cut corners. Well, these are the things we do in terms of raw material control. This is our most basic control over raw materials. Secondly, we have high precision equipment in the workshop. The high precision equipment, many business owners, when purchasing, don't pay much attention to the factory equipment. Let me briefly explain. For all products, all of them, if you are purchasing, you must pay attention to the scale of the factory behind the production of this rubber hose and the production equipment, because the higher the precision of your production equipment, the more stable the quality of this high pressure rubber hose will be. Currently on the market, even now,
There are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market.
and many of them are cheap. They come from small workshops, which include small private enterprises. They don't have a large scale,
and their production equipment is outdated.
and some are even secondhand. This equipment, because the accuracy of their equipment is not enough. The products they produce cannot guarantee the quality. During use, problems arise, and after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. So I would advise all the bosses in procurement that when you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, no sound. Quickly.
I don't use the microphone.
There's no sound.
Is there sound now? Was there no sound just now? Oh, the microphone is working now. Welcome, everyone who just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. The host is currently in the live stream room of a high-pressure rubber hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the live stream room of the high-pressure rubber hose source factory. Our factory has a superior geographical location and is close to the main expressway, so we can handle all large orders, urgent orders, and customized orders that come our way. Up to now, our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu. Our total construction area of the workshop has reached more than 100,000 square meters. We have a professional quality inspection team, and our factory has its own professional quality inspection team. Moreover, our factory, covering an area of over 100,000 square meters, has its own R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our storage workshop. When delivering goods, we also have our own shipping area. We are a large-scale integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process integration. We don't have any middlemen. For all high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our prices are more reasonable. Today, I will guide you all to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. Let's take a closer look at our factory. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province,
Covering a total area of over 100 mu.
Our factory was established in 2011 and has since then been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years. We have been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years. At present, the total number of employees in our factory has reached over 350 people. And up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
Okay, let me do it. I'll transfer it to him.
Hello.
Yes.
Hey, I'm here.
Well, I'll transfer it to you. Yes, I'll transfer it to you.
Oh,
Then next time when he studies,
Let's bring it along again.
Okay. All right. One copy will be enough, right? Okay.
Yes.
Is this your account? Okay, I'll transfer it to you. All right.
All right. Welcome everyone who has joined the live stream. Welcome to those who have just joined. Welcome to my live stream. I am currently at our original factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. Up to now, our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, covering more than 100 mu. Our construction workshop covers an area of over 100,000 square meters. Our entire plant has more than 350 workers, and our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Our current daily output has reached 80,000 meters. We have now fully resolved the issue of delivery times, and all large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders can be accommodated, all of them. Our factory is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, Handan City, Hebei Province, and it is close to the main expressway, just close to the main expressway. So all products can be delivered with super stable delivery time, super fast, and our national logistics delivery is very stable with super reliable delivery time. All the business owners and buyers, let me tell you something. Whether you are in the construction machinery or agricultural machinery accessories business, when you make purchases, you must pay attention to the product's factory, where the product is manufactured. Because nowadays on the market, you can find many small workshops offering cheap high-pressure rubber hoses that often come from these very small-scale workshops. The production equipment of these small workshops simply cannot guarantee stable accuracy, and the precision of their equipment cannot be stabilized either. This is why their prices can be so low, because their products come from small workshops. Nowadays, there are many small workshops on the market, and their production equipment is all outdated. And they don't have high precision control. No high precision control. All the outdated equipment relies on manual control. So, senior employees who have been working for many years, or their employees are definitely not stable. There are definitely senior employees and new employees. Then for new employees, when operating this old equipment, their grip strength, including some speeds and rotational speeds, are impossible to stabilize. So the high-pressure rubber hoses produced by these old equipment, their quality cannot be stabilized. Their quality cannot be stabilized. Handan City Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited, as of now, has been deeply cultivating in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years,
All equipment, including the production equipment in our first phase older workshop, has been completely updated and iterated since 2024. Everything has been fully updated and iterated. All of our production equipment comes directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Our first phase older workshop has also been fully replaced with this kind of high precision production equipment. Including our second phase workshop, which is newly put into operation in 2024 and 2025, the new second phase workshop, all production equipment, are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Each of our devices is equipped with a high precision computer, which can accurately control and complain during the production process, as well as control all parameters in the production process. And after a deviation occurs, our equipment will promptly raise an alarm. What's more, in terms of weaving, our weaving equipment, high-speed knitting machines, which data is this? To all the family members still lingering outside the live room? To all the family members still lingering outside the live room, if you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live room. And the host is taking everyone to delve into the scale of our factory, as well as the current situation, to give you an in-depth understanding of Henderson Nuapu Hose Co. Ltd. Let's take an in-depth look at our factory. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Whether you are in the construction machinery business or agricultural machinery accessories, all the business owners who are purchasing, if you are looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host today will take you to have an all-around understanding of our factory for over an hour, to have an in-depth understanding of our factory. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, and our total construction workshop area has reached over 100,000 square meters. We have our own R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our warehousing workshop. Our warehousing workshop alone covers an area of over 20,000 square meters, covering more than 20,000 square meters. We also have our own dedicated shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. The products produced by our factory, the production equipment used, are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. They are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. And each of our equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. All equipped with a high-precision computer. These high-precision computers can accurately control the speed. It can accurately control the speed. For example, one of our steel wire layer weaving positions, the weaving process, our weaving machine, the high-speed weaving machine. Its high-precision computer can accurately control the speed. It can real-time control the angle of steel wire winding and the adjustment of its tension, including the sparseness in the winding process of each steel wire, the uneven phenomenon. It can accurately control, because we all know this rubber hose, the pressure-bearing capacity and pressure resistance of this rubber hose, all rely on the reinforcement of this steel wire layer. If this steel wire layer during the weaving process, there is a skip stitch or a press stitch, including the weaving angle. And if the steel wire has one or two strands sparse and uneven during the weaving process, if this happens during the use of this rubber hose, the pressure-bearing capacity of each high-pressure rubber hose will be different than the high-pressure rubber hose produced by that kind of equipment. Will experience oil leakage and pipe bursting. So the weaving of the steel wire reinforcement layer and the weaving process, its production equipment, also has relatively high requirements. when many small workshops produce this high-pressure rubber hose. Its braided layer. The weaving equipment they use is all some old equipment. And the products they produce. The weaving effect will not be too good. Not too good. Our factory. The high-speed braiding machine. The high-speed braiding machine in our factory are all from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry and are delivered directly by the equipment manufacturer. Each of our high-speed braiding machines is equipped with a high-precision computer. All of them are equipped with a high-precision computer. And all braiding machine, during the working process, can accurately control the speed. And during the weaving process of this high-pressure hose, the angle of steel wire arrangement and the adjustment of its tension can all be accurately controlled, and our high-precision computer can provide real-time alarms if there is a deviation or disconnection. This high-precision computer can accurately control. If this situation occurs, our production line will be stopped directly. It will alarm and stop directly. This is also our high-speed braiding machine. It's control over the quality. This high-speed braiding machine can control our production process,
providing real-time and precise control.
So, for all the bosses in procurement, whether you are in the construction machinery field or agricultural machinery accessories, as long as you are sourcing high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must learn about the manufacturing plant of the hose,
including its production scale,
equipment, and the high-pressure rubber hose itself. What kind of equipment the plant uses, and how they produce it. Because when many business owners are making purchases, they don't really understand the equipment, and they don't understand its importance. Nowadays, there are many small workshops on the market, producing high-pressure rubber hoses, whose quality cannot be guaranteed to be stable. Its quality cannot be guaranteed to be stable. So, now in the market, your equipment, if the accuracy of the equipment is not high, the products it produces during use will frequently experience oil and air leaks, as well as outer rubber layer delamination, and insufficient pressure bearing capacity. Frequent pipe bursts. These quality issues are all related to the equipment it produces. It is greatly associated with the equipment because there are many small workshops on the market now, and the production equipment they use are some old equipment which have no way of precise control. And the old equipment does not have a high-precision computer, nor a high-precision computer. So it cannot accurately control the parameters of this high-pressure rubber hose during the production process. It cannot accurately control these parameters. So those old equipment can only rely on manual control. Therefore, even for the old employees with long working hours, during the production process, deviations may still occur. It is a normal phenomenon. So, for all the high-pressure rubber hoses, to ensure long-term stability of our product quality, we must rely on high-precision equipment. Only when the precision of the equipment is higher, the more stable the quality will be. This is why our factory can ensure long-term stability. This is the core key. Our factory not only uses equipment directly supplied by the top equipment manufacturers in the industry in our new plant in the second phase, but also in 2025, our old plant in the first phase, which went into operation in 2011. We'll also have a history of 15 years by then. The equipment in our old plant has already been fully updated and iterated. All have been fully updated and iterated. Whether it is the weaving process in the previous stage, the plying, or the inner and outer rubber coating extrusion process, including the finished product packaging in the later stage, and pressure testing, all the equipment in this series, we have already updated and iterated. Our original workshop in Phase I uses the same equipment as our new plant in Phase 2. It is precisely because we have these high-precision production equipment.
that we can ensure the long-term stability of our factory's quality. This is also why we can receive large quantities of repeat orders from major clients across the country and even around the world in the long term. Relying on the stability of our factory's quality. It is our long-term stability that we rely on. Many equipment and procurement bosses don't quite understand the importance of this equipment. Here, let me explain it to you in simple terms. The high-pressure rubber hose you purchase frequently encounters a series of problems during use. 90% of the time, it's due to the insufficient accuracy of production equipment. 90% is due to insufficient production accuracy. So, all the bosses in procurement, if you are still looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, or in the process of procurement, you must delve into the scale of the factory, as well as the accuracy of its equipment. As we all know, the scale of the factory determines the stability of its delivery time. And the stability of the delivery time is determined. Why has our factory been able to become a 15-year-old industry veteran? And why are our products able to be exported all over the world? More than 60 countries. Relying on our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service, our factory, until now. The factories of Phase 1, 2, and 3 have all been put into use. All are in use after our Phase 3 plant was put into use. To now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. So, our delivery time is super stable. Our current delivery time is completely no problem. Let me explain it again.
Our factory has our own R&D team. We not only undertake conventional high-pressure rubber hoses,
some special-shaped ones, special-shaped joints. Our factory can also steadily undertake them, all, because we have our own R&D team. We have our own R&D team. All your customization needs, we can meet them all. We can meet your requirements. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose, can already adapt to all your needs. Whether your equipment requires high temperatures of 150 degrees Celsius when used in high temperature conditions, or in extremely cold weather, our high-pressure rubber hose can adapt to your usage needs at minus 50 degrees Celsius. Our high-pressure rubber hose will not deform at 0 to 150 degrees Celsius. It will not age at minus 40 degrees Celsius or minus 50 degrees Celsius. Our hose is more flexible and will not harden. It will not harden
or cause exterior rubber to peel.
This is also the result of our professional R&D team developing our own formula, our unique formula. Our hose can adapt to environments ranging from 150 Shushadu to minus 50 Shushadu, meeting various environmental requirements. This is also developed by our factory's R&D team. It's our own independent formula. Our factory has our own mixing shop. So we don't need to purchase rubber from other companies for a long time, which is also a core factor that we can control independently. A core factor. Some factories or small workshops, they don't have their own mixing workshop. They rely on long-term procurement and long-term external procurement. So, in the case of long-term external procurement, it cannot guarantee stability. For example, the first batch of goods is purchased from this supplier, this raw material, and the second batch is purchased from that one. Definitely, there will be differences in raw materials and formulas between factories. And if the formulas are different, the properties of the rubber raw materials will definitely be different. Different raw materials. The high-pressure rubber hose produced will not have a stable service life. It won't be stable. Our factory has its own mixing workshop, which covers an area of 5,000 square meters. We have our own mixing workshop, and all the formulas are independently developed by ourselves. All the formulas are independently developed by us. The high-pressure rubber hose produced by our factory can be adapted to all your scenarios. No matter your equipment. The application scenarios are particularly narrow. Our factory has also developed an ultra-flexible hose.
For this hose, the high-pressure rubber hose is more flexible
and can be adapted to all your small working conditions. And our R&D team, has developed a highly wear-resistant outer rubber. Because in many cases, for example, in mining enterprises, the high-pressure rubber hose during use requires a highly wear-resistant outer rubber layer due to the harsh working conditions. Our factory has also just developed our own ultra-wear-resistant rubber compared to similar products from other brands. The wear resistance has been increased by more than double. This is the result we got from experiments. Our factory has a full set of experimental equipment. Whether it's for fire prevention or fire resistance tests. Our aging chambers, high temperature equipment, including the resistance to electric experiments for our rubber tubes, the tensile experiments for rubber, and our own high-speed vulcanizers, as well as experiments with the rapid vulcanizers. Our factory has a complete set of experimental equipment. It can be adapted to high-pressure rubber hoses, enabling inspection of the entire process from raw materials to finished products. The whole process inspection. Moreover, the pulse test bench in our factory has several units. The pulse test bench, as everyone knows, pulse test is a feedback on the status of our testing high-pressure hoses during their use. Feedback on the current situation in our factory. During previous live streams, we've shown you our experimental data for the same high-pressure hose. Our pulse test data has far exceeded the standard, greatly exceeding the international standard. Once, I remember for our single-layer high-pressure hose, our pulse standard is 200,000 cycles. But at that time, when we did the experiment, it had already reached over 500,000 cycles. We have far exceeded the international standard. And this is also the true feedback of our data on the quality of the high-pressure hose. Truly reflecting the quality of our high-pressure hose. We also have burst tests. Burst test bench, which can accurately measure the pressure resistance of this hose, what its burst pressure is, and what the burst pressure is. Our factory supports and can provide the experimental data. All products in our factory come with X-Factory reports. We have the X-Factory reports. Some business owners who do the purchasing pay special attention to the experimental data. We can also provide that. We can offer free testing services, free testing, and free report provision. We want to give everyone peace of mind when buying and help everyone understand our products more thoroughly. To all the business owners who are doing the purchasing, if when you are purchasing these high-pressure rubber hoses, you must know about the scale of its factory and the current situation. Welcome to all the family members who have just joined the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, make sure to stay in the host's live stream for a while.
The host is currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. Whether you are in the business of engineering accessories or agricultural machinery accessories, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Now, the host is going to take you on an in-depth tour of our factory. You'll get to know about our quality and the quality of our factory, why our factory has been able to operate for 15 years, and why our products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Relies on our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Just now, I've mentioned the scale of our factory,
which covers an area of more than 100.
Our factory now covers an area of more than 100 mu, and the total construction area has reached more than 100,000 square meters. All of our employees have reached more than 350 people. And now our daily production capacity is more than 80,000 meters. Now our daily output has reached more than 80,000 meters. All large orders and custom orders, large and single orders, we can all handle them. Our factory can take all of them. Second, our factory has our own R&D team. We not only undertake conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, but also support non-standard customization. Our factory also supports non-standard customization. All these special-shaped rubber hoses and special-shaped joints, as long as it is your demand, as long as you have a demand, our own experiments and our R&D team can achieve one-to-one mass production for you. One-to-one mass production.
Welcome to all the family members who just joined the live stream.
Welcome to all the family members who just joined the live stream. Where the host is right now is our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. We can adapt to all your needs. We not only undertake this conventional hose, but our factory, the one the host is holding now, is a smooth, high-pressure hose of ours. A smooth one. Our demand for the appearance, up to now, has been able to achieve a fabric-covered outer rubber and a smooth outer rubber. And we can meet all your color requirements, all of them. We not only have black outer rubber, but also our laboratory has developed rubber of various colors and outer rubber in various colors, which can be adapted to all your scenario requirements. It can meet all your scenario requirements. Our factory undertakes not only conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses and fittings, including all the adapters you need. We can meet all your adaptation needs. The regular brand. The host is holding our glossy outer rubber. The glossy one. All the colors we have, red, orange, and blue, and gray. For all the outer rubber in these colors. Can also meet all your needs. We can adapt to all your working condition requirements. All of them, because our factory has our own R&D team. It can be adapted to all your scenarios and all your requirements. Currently, our factory's rubber has met the standards for use. At 150 degrees above zero, and can work effectively in environments as low as minus 50 degrees. Suitable for various work scenarios. All the bosses who do all the purchasing. If you are still struggling to find the right hose that meets your needs, you can contact us. You can get in touch with us. We have our own R&D team. We can customize to meet all your requirements. We can adapt to all your needs. The one the host is holding is our regular brand. We not only have high-pressure rubber hoses. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory, a one-stop shop for hydraulic products. No matter you need special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped joints, we provide all these in one-stop purchase, which greatly saves your procurement time. We not only have rubber hoses. Now let me show you that we not only produce rubber hoses, but also the fittings for them. which can adapt to all your special shaped joints and rubber hoses, some of which are special shaped and with flanges. Some are with radian. Our fittings and our rubber hoses are available for one-stop procurement. We can also do it and ensure the assembly is well locked. We provide one-stop procurement. So if you have any needs, you can contact us. We have our own R&D team. With our own R&D team, we not only undertake regular brands, all non-standard customization. Our factory can provide one-on-one services and achieve one-to-one replication. We can all achieve one-to-one replication. If you can't find the high-pressure hose you need for your specific scenario, you can contact us. We have our own R&D team. Our quality is consistently stable because our production equipment is highly precise, and it can ensure long-term quality stability. Moreover, we have our own R&D team that can adapt to all your scenario needs. All scenario needs. And, whether it's high-pressure rubber hoses or all your connectors, including all connectors and sheaths, we can provide one-stop purchasing. We have our own factory, so we support one-stop purchasing. Welcome to all the folks who have just joined the live stream. Welcome. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you've come to the right place. Please stay tuned for a while. I will now take you on a virtual tour of our factory and give you an in-depth look at its scale, as well as the quality of our products. Why has our factory been able to thrive for 15 years?
Becoming a seasoned player in the industry.
And why are our products well received both domestically
and internationally by a large base of clients who consistently reorder over the long term? It is due to our consistent quality, reliable delivery time.
你的额度已用完，即将结束通话。